name is Fatima. Today I am going to teach you a lesson from 6th class. The lesson name is Peace and Harmony. Let us see the lesson name once. Peace and Harmony. What is the meaning of peace? Peace means without any fightings. Without fighting. And harmony means living together. Actually, this peace and harmony both are abstract nouns. These are the words which you cannot see, but these are the feeling words. We can feel them. Let us see this lesson based on peace and harmony. This is a lesson about a forest. There were birds, animals, snakes and insects in a forest. These all animals, birds, insects, snakes, everybody lived very happily together. They used to play with each other, they used to sing, they used to dance, they used to roam around the forest. How these animals used to appreciate each other, let us see. Peacocks. Peacocks are the beautiful birds. These peacocks were proud of their dances. Though they are proud of their dances, they used to admire cuckoos. Cuckoos used to sing melodious songs. The voice was very beautiful. These peacocks were proud of themselves and also they admired their friends cuckoos. Next is elephants. Elephants also. These elephants are the biggest animals. Though they are big, they used to enjoy watching the fish swimming in the pools. Next is pythons. Pythons, they are very, very long snakes. Though they have long bodies, they used to admire, they used to appreciate these small, flat-footed rabbits. Then comes next to tiny ants. Tiny ants used to tickle the buffaloes. These buffaloes are big in size. Though they are big in size, these tiny small animals used to play with these buffaloes. These all animals, they do not think anything about their size or their existence. Though they are big and small, they all live together happily in the forest. That's why there was peace and harmony in the forest. Now what happened? These all animals used to spend a good time. They used to spend musical evenings in their forest. They used to dance, they used to sing, they used to perform gymnastics. Let us see who performed what. Elephants and deer used to dance, miners, parrots used to sing, and tiger and bear used to do gymnastics. Like this they held musical evenings in the forest and they used to enjoy musical evenings in the forest. Every evening they had musical evenings. Who were the guest of honor? Moon. Moon was the guest of honor. Moon along with his friends stars came to this function, to these evenings, musical evenings, and enjoyed all the animals, birds, snakes, insects. Moon and star all enjoyed together this program. Like this every day they used to conduct musical evenings and held they were very happy with each other. What happened? One day a jackal entered into this forest. A jackal. How was the jackal? It was very dirty, dangerous and cunning. This jackal, what did he do? He wanted to eat some animals, but it was very difficult. He found that it is very difficult to get a prey from this forest. Why? Because animals are very united with each other. They used to stay along with each other whole time. They used to roam, they used to play. Every time big animals and small animals used to live together. So the jackal found it was very difficult to get its prey. So it planned and it started to divide the animals. First it went to the small animals like cuckoos, fish, rabbits, buffaloes. Like the small animals it went and it started poisoning them. It started to say some words that it made the animals be afraid of other animals. Small animals used to afraid of big animals. It used to whisper to the animals. What is the meaning of whisper? Whisper means say slowly in the ears. It used to say slowly to the smaller animals and tell that this animal is going to kill you. For example, it went to the fish and said to the fish that elephant is going to eat you. So don't come and swim in front of her. So like this, it used play with the bigger animals. So like this, all the animals started suspecting each other. How the animals used to live, that was not the situation now. Everything was changed after Jackal entered the forest. These animals, now they are not roaming with each other. They are staying at home. If they need to come out, they used to go along with their kind. That means deer used to go with only deers. Rabbits used to move with only rabbits. Before Jackal entered, how was the situation? Rabbits used to play with pythons. Buffaloes used to play with tiny ants. Deer used to play with elephants. Like this, big and small animals all together played with each other. But after the Jackal entered, everything was changed. Everything was opposite. What happened? All the animals started suspecting each other. Now nobody is trusting anybody. They are in fear that it may eat me. Like this, everything changed. Now it was very easy for the Jackal to eat. It started killing one by one, small fish, cuckoos, rabbits, everything it started eating. The other animals, those who are left, they were afraid that who is killing like this. Now they are not safe. They are all are worried. The moon and the stars from the sky also were very sad to see the situation in the forest. They can't find any animals roaming about. Nobody is coming out. Everything, it was like dark. It was like everything, all the animals and birds, insects are sleeping in the forest. The moon and the stars felt like that what happened in the forest? Why these animals are not coming? What happened here? Why there are no musical evenings? But later, after a few days, the same situation was happening in the forest. Moon decided a thing. He thought that let me go and find out what is happening in the forest. So he himself came to the forest one day. Who came to the forest? Moon came to the forest. How did he come? He disguised himself as a sadhu. He did not come as Moon. He disguised himself as a sadhu. What is the meaning of disguise? Disguise means changing oneself into other people. That means making a new role, changing himself into other. So Moon disguised himself as sadhu, changing the person as somebody else. Moon changed himself as sadhu and came to the forest. Why did he come? He wanted to find out what is the situation in the forest. What is the problem in the forest? Why all the animals, birds, snakes, insects, why these are not living happily? Why they are not coming out? Why? What happened? What is their problem? He wanted to find out. That's why he came as sadhu to the forest. When a sadhu entered, all the animals, birds, when they got the news that a sadhu has entered in the forest, all the animals and birds ran to sadhu to tell their woes, tell their tales of sorrows. What is the meaning of woe? Woe means problems, sorrows, their troubles. All the animals, birds, insects, snakes, everybody ran to sadhu and they pleaded them. They pleaded sadhu to solve their problem. Then sadhu listened all the problems. He went to each and every animal and bird and tried to listen what is their problem. Then he understood what is happening there. After the entrance of Jackal, everything is changed. He observed that and then he started making friendship with the animals and birds. He started inviting them. He started inviting small and bigger animals together. He called them for common meals. He engaged them to the market. Like this, he spent his time with the animals and tried to bring the unity which was before the Jackal entered in the forest. Like this, he started doing. This Jackal was seeing everything. He was observing what is the sadhu doing. He didn't like sadhu. He wanted to kill the sadhu, so he was waiting for the opportunity to kill that sadhu who is not making his work easy. So one day, one evening, Jackal started to catch a prey. He wanted to eat a hen, so he entered into a hen's house and he caught a hen. Then sadhu suddenly he went to that and stopped Jackal to not eat because he has already promised the animals and birds that he is going to help. All the animals and birds requested him to kill the Jackal because he is eating away all the animals. So sadhu has promised them that he will definitely help they had some hope of Sadhu. But what happened? Jackal has eaten away. All when they got the news, they all were very sad. They started once again crying and pleading to the God, why happened like this? What happened to Sadhu? Why he came to help him, but he himself is in danger today because of them. Like this, everybody was weeping. Then suddenly they heard a strange voice which was coming out from the forest. All the animals ran to that sound where it was coming. Then they saw that the jackal's stomach was bloating. What is the meaning of bloat? Bloat means growing bigger and bigger. The jackal's stomach was bloating. What happened? Nobody knows what is happening there. But actually what happened? The jackal has eaten Sadhu, who was already a moon. What does a moon do every day? It grows. So same thing is doing inside the stomach of jackal. The moon is growing inside and making the stomach bloat. So as soon as all the animals observed what they are seeing, they are seeing that the jackal's stomach is bloating and bloating and bloating. At last it burst and jackal died. Like this, moon in the role of Sadhu, he helped the animals in killing the jackal. Like this, all the animals got rid of the cunning jackal. Sadhu has helped him. Sadhu has helped them in killing the jackal. How he killed? Directly he did not kill. Indirectly he killed the jackal and made their problem solved. Then the moon went back to the sky and shone brightly, and he passed the message. He said some words to the animals. What did he say? May all the fences from your houses should be removed. May all my animals be happy, be living in peaceful life. How you people lived before like this? He expected now also to live happily with a peaceful and harmony life. Like this, all the animals and birds started to live in peace and harmony once again after the jackal was killed. This was the story from Peace and Harmony.